Where them a go do ya now? New link on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. New link.
Blessings, viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so they attacking boss there and a New Link from New Link Production. So my people, me I tell you this right now, people. You know, say, boy, I don't know now. The demons just Lego in a Jamaica. Every creases, every corner you can think of, people. And this demon is plaguing, so much females right now. Oh my world, oh my precious New Link. Because my viewers and subscribers, news has reached to the attacking boss now, people, about an incident that took place yesterday over in Manchester, in a place them call them Cross Keys, Jamaica. And my viewers and subscribers, it is such a sad one to know what has really taken place, because a lady who is a mother, a grandmother, a great-grandmother, and a great-great-grandmother, people, was found at her home where them say close to a fowl coop, stabbed to death. And I'm telling the people, 84 years old. Well, my viewers and subscribers, one person is in custody pertaining to this incident. And this person is a female who is suspected to be the granddaughter of this lady. Oh my pearl, oh my precious New Link. Viewers and subscribers, see? Right now the police are asking anybody with any information that can dig deeper into these people, they should come forward. Because what happened, people? The police receive a call from concerning residents, because basically there was an argument over the yard, people, where the grandmother lived with the granddaughter, and there was an argument over there. And after a while, the people then get suspicious because them no hear no argument, or maybe they hear a scream and they hear a ball out or something, you know what I mean? So they alerted the police. And when the police come over there, people make their checks and check and search. They found the grandma people, round at the folk people. Me I tell you what them say, with stab wounds over her body, and not just one. Granddaughter people, I don't know if this Lampile is mentally sick or something wrong with the headpiece, or something not right with it inside, people. But I don't know where it get that demonic art and everything from. To take a knife and inflict wounds to the own grandmother, to her own grandma. Grandma, you know. And everybody know how grandma something go. See? Grandma, when your mama and your papa left your pan, grandma and gone this, and gone do this and gone do that, and grandma go through the pain, go through this and that. Take care of you, put you on the corner of the bed when you was a little one there. Take pity on her hand and use you and wipe out your hide them. Carry you go to church and put you beside her, cook food, give you, feed you, bathe you. But now you have the heart. She's 84 years old. What could this grandma do to you? That's you feeling at yourself that you could come, so boom, take a knife and do something like this to grandmother. Honestly, my people, think about this. You see the situation that is going on in Jamaica right now, and you see how much problems you keep on having over and over and a different. Hey, this is crazy, man. This is totally madness, people. You know what I mean? And we have our PM there just sitting down, and our ministers and allowing things like this to keep on happening, people. This is joke thing. This is not right. No, the system too easily, people. I go on with the people like them, yeah. People like them are no need to be a part of society. People like them are people who go elsewhere. And I'm talking about getting their 3 points taken away from them also. And I don't check what nobody want to say. Zin? Because it is crazy. How can you have the art, people, to take a weapon like a knife, Zine, and take it and put it on an 84-year-old lady? Look at a woman who's 84, people. Could this big granddaughter, you understand, who did the big and strong, you know what I mean? What this grandma could have really do to she now, people? Where I go tell me, say, self-defense in what ways, in what means? She's 84. What you want from grandmother? Some are uno too worthless, and I'm being truthful. A lot of these little pitney we call grands people, and you know, even pitney sometime to hitch up a mama foot when them are like even 30 and you know, up in them 20s people and causing trouble, causing havoc. Can't let these people live out the look of years of them got left in their life. Give them stress, give them pain. Zine, it come like them still want, yo, I can't even know people. It hurt me people to say something like this. You know what I mean? Because I love my grandmother. She's gone today, people, but I'm telling you, and this put my brains to everything. I know how much my grandma do for me. And for know say somebody come take out them grandmother like this, a grand picnic. A grand picnic. Just imagine the pain grandma got through. Oh, honestly, people, this is something reality what we have to talk about. Zine, this is not joke. This is serious things. How much more we are going to sit and allow for do things like this, and we just keep them and put them there to lock up and feeding them, you know what I mean, nourish them with food, you get me, as a strengthening them and allowing them to just still be up while them out take out people. It should be like this, people. Because if we shall go back in the days when them did say Christ upon earth people and something, you understand? Things they used to be like this where people could have do something like this and them have it so easy. No. Them are going to deal with them in a way people when me are telling them normal. See? So why now we believe say we can have, you know, blow breath in a no man. You don't give life. God give us life. God blow breath in us. You understand? And you feel say you can just take out somebody's life and still get a chance to be a part of society. So you destroy the person's life from seeing what is there to come. You know how much great things coming, how much great things happening, even though we have a lot of, you know what I mean, bad things going on, but how much is there to see and you take away all that. But you still being a part of society if you hear what I go on or see what I go on. It should be like that, my people. See, so you see this a same thing, yeah? You see the attack when you link a gate? Yo, people, many even have it attack them. Good feet, a straight attack. Beating left, right, center. Every crease, every corner. In your head, pan your foot them, pan your hand, where you take and use and hold that time. See? Every way in your eye them. Get me, I say? Something like you, as me tell the people, many even want to see it, you know. Not joke about it, man. This is crazy. Oh my world, oh my precious new link. Yesterday this news come to me, you know, people, and when I see it, me have to think, you know, me have to sit, me have to wonder, you know, and you know what I mean, and take a sip of my wine and dust it, and I say, yo, attacking boss. No, like, this is real. No, me have to, I'm a wake up back people, and me see different people are sending me the thing, and me have to say, attacking boss. So it's really serious? Yo, Jaja. Just imagine, people, if this person have a heart, if you take that and do that to our own grandmother, just imagine what that do to me, to you, or to the man around there, so, or to the woman up there, so. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Oh my world, how much time me have to say it, precious new link. It is crazy, my people. It is crazy, but you see people, as me tell them, the demons leg up. And it a find it way in them. Zine, even though they dance a long time, you know, because this is nothing new, but the demon just make way in them because the demon just say them done, their soul done gone already, and the demon see the type of person that makes people, so the demon just find ways in them. Look how much people may know out there getting a anger, getting at this, getting at that, and then looking at themselves and then come so boom, take a deep breath in, take a deep breath out, walk around there, so you understand where they go take a shot and just ease off and breeze off and blow it off. But these people, I see them easily if it comes about and snap, I went at them heart and their intention, long time people, and they just reach the point and the moment when they're ready for do it. But them, as I tell people, them not for be a part of society. None at all. Zine? And yo, people, on the need to get serious, you know. On the need to call out the PM. On the need to get serious. Tell him so on the want better things to deal with. When I talk about the chair, the rope, yes, or the ejection. This is serious, people. So my people, you don't know the thing, man, the attacking boss there, man, and just giving thanks to life as usual on a daily basis. And people just be great and be safe out there because it is not easy, my viewers and subscribers. And things like these really shook me up people a lot. You get me? I said, shook me. I shouldn't even know people. It's crazy, man. Just be safe, people, and just continue to do the right thing. And if you don't subscribe already, please do subscribe now and hit that notification bell so as I drop a video, you will get them. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter, New Link Production. And just do the right thing. Rest in peace, grandmother. It's a sad one, man. Rest in peace, mama. Rest in peace. And for the whole people in Manchester who are more on the last right now, man, you just take it easy. And to the whole family, them, I don't want to feel devastated right now about the whole situation. But yo, only just season he knows. Rest in peace again, mama. Such a sad one. Peace and love, my people. Big up every time.